You might be forgiven for thinking that the purpose of binary code is for computer science teachers to keep students busy. In fact, there's a bigger reason than that. Let's first of all think about why you count from 0 to 9. You have something which computers do not have, and that's fingers. You've got fingers and you have probably 2 hands, which means that you have 10 possible digits, 0 to 9. And that's why we count using the digits 0 to 9, or base 10, or decimal, or denary. All sorts of different names for the same thing, but it basically means the counting system that we use normally. But computers, of course, do not have fingers, and so therefore they cannot really use the digits 0 to 9. What a computer is an electronic device. Now you can think of an electronic device as being a little like a light switch perhaps, and the switch is either on or it is off. Computers are made up of millions of these switches, literally a big number. And each of these individual switches can be on or they can be off, a little like a light bulb perhaps. Think of a light bulb as being on or off, and imagine millions of those light bulbs being on or off. That is how computers carry out their calculations, using decimal. Well, they don't really use decimal. Decimal is our human way of representing a circuit either being on or off. And so we tend to think of a circuit that is switched on as being a 1, and a circuit that is switched off as being a 0. And using these 2 digits 1 and 0, you can create any calculation, you can represent any number, and numbers can represent letters, symbols, characters, instructions, entire computer programs, and of course all the data on every phone or computer in the entire world. So the purpose of binary code is for humans to represent the digital switching on or off of electric circuits inside the computer.